Okay guys, quick update for Bitcoin. If you like this content, leave a like. I appreciate it. If you can get access to all these live charts, the link's pinned in the first comment description. You'll sign up for Bitget. That link's also pinned in the first comment description as well, and have a no VPN option there for you. So I think it's very possible we could have a short squeeze soon. I'm going to show you why this is the case. You'll notice this fib channel line right here. Every time price dropped below it, we push back above this fib channel line. This is a line I've been talking about that I think will be a magnet. Price will continue down. In this previous videos, if you go back and watch them, I made it very clear. Price can push above and drop below, but this line will be a magnet. So you short when you're above, you long when you're below. And I also made it very clear that this ring was the top. You see, every time we hit this ring, we get rejected. So again, if we get a short squeeze, I think the point we get a short squeeze to will be this blue ring, and that's where I'm going in a heavy short. So I made a post in Discord. You can see here, said if we push up, this is where I was short, have my stop loss above. You can see we did hit that target. And we have this blue moving average here. You have this fib channel line right here, and you have this trend line as resistance. We came up and hit that target. Now I think it's very possible we could push higher. If you notice, the RSI is angled up. That's looking somewhat bullish, and the MACD is way oversold. So I think that's one indicator that we could push up. We also have, if you go to, there's plenty of live streams where they show book maps. Now, what I think's happening here is they were going after longs, and what happens is when price comes down, you see prices coming down. You see these are red bubbles here that pop up. They're stopping out all these longs. When price drops and they take out these longs, shorts start to stack above. So they'll have to push price back up to take out these shorts, and that can trigger a short squeeze to push price up. You see right up here on 27,600, there's a lot of liquidity. There's also more liquidity above that. So again, I think they could trigger a short squeeze, not to mention because the MACD and the RSI looks somewhat bullish. So again, what you should pay attention to is if the next daily candle opens above. All right, this is the fib channel line I'm talking about. Notice that every time price came down, these crazy wicks, we always push right back above this line. And then once we cross the guideline here, you notice every time candle new daily candle opened, it was below this line. So this is a very important fib channel line. So if the next daily candle opens above 27,400, that would be bullish. And again, this is the point I was short. I did hint to that target in previous videos if you want to go back and watch it. If the next daily candle opens below 27,350 around that area, that would hint to a bearish move, potentially to drop. So that's what I'm paying attention to. But either way, guys, and I'll make a post in Discord like I always do. If we push up to hit this target, that's where I'm going in a heavy short. I believe that will be the top, just like every other time, guys. This ring is the top. So this is the point I will go in a heavy short if we push up to it. I hope we do. But again, pay attention to see if we get a next daily candle open above 27,400, that is bullish. If you get a daily open below 27,400, that is bearish. And again, your next major support down here is around 25,671. Guys, if you do want to sign up to Bitget, the link's pinned in the first comment description. I have a no VPN option for you there as well. And if you want to sign up and get access to these charts and Discord, again, the link's pinned in the first comment description. That's it, guys. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.